Dominica is one of the Caribbean's best hidden treasures. This little British island is completely lush with green. It's nearly untouched and has every right to be called Nature Island. So today we're heading to Emerald Pool. It's a freshwater pool with a waterfall, and if anything happens with my lack of swimming skills, well, at least I have the camera as my witness. Dominica is still a developing country. It doesn't have the marketing or the resources to attract large numbers of tourists. I went into the parish of Maho to ask the locals how they feel about expanding the island's tourism.
Well, expanding tourism will not affect Nature Island that much because we need it down here. I mean, this is a part of exploring the world and to make people in different parts of the world get to know this island.
But if we had package deal where they pay one fare for their hotel, for their meal, that would profit the island far more.
Tourism is a very good thing in Dominica, but now it is not good right now because it's different now. We need a better government.
We're in the middle of the Caribbean, and I think Dominica need to go on the map. I mean it on the map, but we need to see it. The world need to see it.
Now can you say hello to my friends?
Ah, which of your friends? I don't know none of your friends. Anyway, hey friends!
Thank you, Grandpa.
Oh, you're welcome.
That was good.
Boiling Lake is a natural hot water phenomenon, and it's actually the second largest in the world next to one in New Zealand. I have some friends from the American Peace Corps who wanted to do the hike and allowed me and my camera to tag along.
We missed our first 7 a.m. bus to Loda as we were going yet, and we just hopped on the back of a truck, and that was wet and amazing, and it was beautiful scenery. So we're walking up a hill now on our way to Boiling Lake.
We're in the clouds. It's raining, it's windy, but it's not hailing, it's not snowing, so we're doing okay.
We did it!
Woo! Yay! The hike was 6 hours in total and one of the best and worst things I've ever done. It was approximately a 13-kilometer hike through sulfur patches, mountains, and Desolation Valley. Yes, it poured down rain the entire way home, and yes, I couldn't walk for a few days. But I will never forget the day I conquered Boiling Lake.
Ça pas nécessaire pour la bagatelle. Ça pèse mon caddie, il passe à faire ça. Passe-moi la capote.